Folks, we're inside the brand new 2025 Roadtrek Play Plus. What I love about this floor plan is this. This is what is sold this floor plan. And plus the coloring and the combinations of the wood colors and the countertop and the linoleum and the furniture, it make this unit pop. And plus I love the molding ceiling. You know, this is a nice high-end molding ceiling with LED light, as you see. There's a lot of features and this one is provided. Now the Play Plus is sitting on a ram chassis, as you see, but this particular one, what I really love is you could walk from the back all the way to the center. Plus it has the two sofas, so you could seat more people this side way, you could sit people that sideways. Plus it comes with a table and a post here, so you could put it in as a dinette, so both people sitting here, they could eat. You have a nice smart LCD screen on a swing arm where you could see it from this sofa or that sofa. Nice soft wall paneling with high-end windows, and these windows is actually, as you said before, it's 2 layers. You could do screen, you could do shade, and by the way, this window is open. And then you have 2 in this one and 1 in that one. Air conditions, heat. I love these cabinets. It has the nice finishing inside, not like the cheapy cloth or cheapy plastic. This is solid. You can see steel here, and it even has holding. It holds itself, and then you close it, and it has locking mechanism. So look how big the storage in this side. Look on this storage in this side also, how deep all the way to the back. And then you don't waste any space. And then you have another storage here, and then you have another closet with hanging clothes. Here's your inverter and all the post for the table, and the table is right there by the door. So it's amazing unit. But what really like about this one is how fast I could turn this to bed. Normally in other units is you have to get bored in between. This one, I don't have to do nothing. All I do just touch switch, and then those 2 sofa, they're electric. They come touching each other. So now you notice I have a huge bed. I could sleep this way, I could sleep that way if I want, and whatever I want, I could sleep this way or that way. It's a big bed, and look how quick second I turn this 2 sofa to a bed. And then you have a TV right there, swing. And also, if I'm done with the bed, if I want to make it, all I do just come over here. There's 2 switches. Voila, see how easy? And it gives you the option to walk back and forth easier. Now, from the kitchens, what I really like, they give you the biggest refrigerator they use for Class B. So you have separate freezers and fridge. Oh, by the way, it's cold. And then here's you have a microwave, stainless steel backsplash. So and then you have the 2 Dometic gas burner, and then you have this cabinet, that cabinet, and if you need pantries, you have a big pantry here for spice, canned foods, you name it. And then if you need a door here, you could put stuff in it. You could use it for your closets, whatever. And then you have a high-rise faucet, solid surface countertop with a big sink, cutting board. Use it if you flip it. Have an extension countertop, screen door, more storage. So you could see the amazing of how roomy that kitchen. Now, when it's come to the bathroom, they give you a fantastic fan. So in case if you want to get the smell out, or if you want to get the steam, they have a separate sink, as you see right here, with the nice mirrors, a shower, and you could sit on this toilet. Very roomy for knees, no issue. And then they have the options where you make it bigger size for elbow wise. And then they give you everything like, towels rack, paper towels, you name it. So all this come on that shower. And that's what I really like about the finishing of the Roadtrek. There's a table here, come with it, with a post, so you could twist these two chairs and use an additional dinette. More storage here, more storage on the chassis. Again, this is the Ram chassis with a big screen and all the features of the Ram chassis. Ram chassis, as you see, it comes with a power awning with a 2 floodlight on the side, a nice running board with more storage, and in the back we have receivers, and there's the 30 amp plug. You could pull a jet ski or a small boat. You have an outside shower, and you have endless hot water heater and all the hookup for the propane and the black water and gray water. This is a brand new Roadtrek Play Plus. It's an awesome unit to take the family and go tour the country. And as usual at Best RV, you could check the link. We have a lot of pictures and videos. We have our email, our phone numbers. But again, the most important thing, price on this Roadtrek Play Plus. No one in the state of California could match our price. We sell them for less, plus no any hidden fees. Free get ready package, free dealer prep, free walkthrough, free orientation. Just you pay the tax and license. Come and grab the Roadtrek. It's a high-end Class B motorhome.